In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of retrieving and viewing deleted messages on Instagram. A handy trick if you've accidentally deleted chat but wish to recover it. Firstly, ensure that your Instagram app is up to date by visiting the App Store or Google Play Store and updating if necessary. Once updated, launch Instagram on your device and navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. From your profile, access the menu by tapping on the three lines at the top right corner and select your activity. Next, choose the option Download Your Information, which allows Instagram to compile all your profile data, including deleted messages. Enter the email address linked to your Instagram account, and Instagram will email you a copy of your data, including deleted chats, within 14 days. Upon receiving the file, you'll be able to review the deleted chats and messages from Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and until next time.